What's up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs. Here's that housekeeping we always talk about. If you are returning, make sure you click that thumbs up, click the bell sign so you don't miss out on any content. Those of you that are brand new, welcome to the SoCo Customs YouTube channel. Thumbs up, subscribe, click the bell symbol, and make sure to leave a comment. It really helps our analytics, getting our videos in front of eyes just like yours. Before I get too far into the montage, I want to dive into the nuances of this truck and of the kit. So the 2021 truck is the exact same as the 2020. So if you are shopping for a lift kit and they just haven't updated to show the 2021 truck, you can just grab a 2020 kit. Should work just fine. They haven't really changed anything. They changed over to the new body style from 2019 to 2020, so you can't interchange all the way back to a 2019. Don't even try. As for this kit, yes, it definitely says that you can fit a 37 underneath. However, you kind of have to choose between height and stance. So if you're going with a 10 wide, trying to go wide and outside, you definitely should stick with a 35. There will still be just a little bit of trimming. However, if you wanted to run a 37, you have to run like a 9 wide and live in that positive 18 to positive 25 space, a lot like with the other heavy duties. But without further ado, let's get into it.